Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to tell you about the exciting new bathroom on the 321 MK and 331 RL. One of our favorite features is the pivot hinge bathroom door on all Montana and all high country floor plans. The beautiful thing about the pivot hinge door is it opens and we don't have to do a door dance. We don't have to step down the steps, step into the bedroom, or step into the bathroom in order to open this door fully. It swings and allows us to still use a fully framed door and preserve our coat closet and control panel closet right here in the hallway. We're inside the 321 MK bathroom. Fantastic bathroom. Double vanity sink with seamless countertop, so no edges on here. Great storage below the countertop with 3 drawers and 2 cabinets. Of course, we've got 2 medicine cabinets with a cabinet in between. Outlet for hair dryer, electric toothbrushes, whatever you may be using in here. On top of all that, this bathroom is really spacious. There's plenty of room around the toilet. And of course, we've got the 4-foot by 2.5-foot seamless fiberglass shower that we use in all Montana high country floor plans. Just tops it off as a fantastic bathroom and a customer favorite. For more information, check us out at KeystoneRV.com.